The admin section for Maintenance Track may not be accessible to all users within your facility. The great thing about Maintenance Track is that several aspects of the platform are customizable, with the customization being in this admin section. Each section of the admin area will be controlled by your facility's assigned Maintenance Track administrator. Each page has the icons that we went over in the first video of Maintenance Track. You'll be able to use those icons to help you navigate through the admin section. Let's get started by going over each of the tabs in the admin section, starting with Facility. Facility is simply where you are able to edit the name of your facility if you would like to. The Locations tab is where you are able to add or edit location information throughout your facility. Just like many of the tables throughout Maintenance Track, you have the search function here, which will allow you to narrow down your list if you would like to. You're able to change how many entries you view per page. You can also reset your search here. The icons on this page are also continuous with the rest of Maintenance Track. If you'd like to edit the name of the facility, delete the facility, or view the information that's been entered for that facility, you are able to do all of this under the Location tab. Much like the Location tab, the Area tab allows you to add, edit, and view areas within your location. In order to see the areas within a location, you would need to choose a location so that the table will populate. Now that the table has populated, you can see all of the areas within that location. Once again, you have the option to search throughout the areas if you would like to, in order to shorten your list. And all of the functionalities here are the same, just as they were with the Locations tab. The Department tab is set up similarly to Locations and Area. You are able to add different departments throughout your locations, if you would like to. This is not necessary, but it does help filter tasks whenever you are searching for specific items. Your table is set up the same as others. You have your search bar here, you have all of your icons here to the left, the option to reset your search, and change how many entries you have per page. The next section is the Procedure Sets section. The Procedure Sets section lists the procedure sets that may have been put into the Maintenance Track system. Here, you are only able to view and edit the name of the procedure set, not the actual procedure set itself. That functionality is available in the PM section. As always, you have your search bar at the top, the ability to change how many you are able to see per page, and to reset this page if you would like to. The next section will be the Frequency section. Frequencies determine when PMs are due. Once the Frequency section appears, you have your search bar, the reset option, and all of the icons necessary like we do on the other pages. This page is specifically for the definition of frequencies, not necessarily setting when an asset PM is supposed to be completed. Let's go over the Users section of the Admin tab now. Users can be added, deleted, or edited within the Users section. By clicking the green button at the top, you're able to add a new user within your facility. Once the green button is clicked, all of the information that is necessary to add a user will be available on the screen. Please note that any information that has an asterisk next to it is required information in order to add a new user, or any information throughout the Maintenance Track system. Since we don't want to add a user at the moment, let's go ahead and go to the Type User page. The Type User section allows you to add, edit, or delete the types of users that you would like to have included in your Maintenance Track database. This section also determines each user's access rights. As you can see, the blue eye will show you all of the access rights that this user has. If we look at the difference between the admin and the custodian, we can see that some of these say no, meaning that the custodian does not have the access rights that the admin does. All of these user rights are set by the Maintenance Track admin. And finally, in the admin section, we have the Help page. The Help page is where you are able to see all of the information about Maintenance Track. The videos that we are reviewing will be in this section, as well as information on the barcode scanner. If you have any questions about the Maintenance Track system, this page will be the place for you to go to become an expert.